SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy. I'll be breaking all it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at SBET, this thing is sort of melting down with 11.7% increase in price. Honestly, mates, it's just a bearish market. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad guy or anything. Pre-market is a bit higher, but let's be honest, for me to really be bullish, the price must start breaking above 28.53. And if I zoom out, you will see exactly where right now, you know what I mean? So beforehand, this was phenomenal because I also called it out beforehand in front of you all, you know, and just 2 months ago, and I milked quite nice here, but then it crashed, and I was hoping we can see some shift. Said party never came, and honestly speaking, unless I see a full candle close above 28.53, there's just no way I'm looking at this thing from a bullish lens. So I'll keep you updated, and I do have a bunch of receipts with SBET in my Discord as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get daily free stock picks and emails to stay tuned and make more money, click the first link in the description. It's free.